Hi friends, I hope you are all doing well. If you come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe and activate the bell button so that to be the first to receive such amazing videos. Thank you in advance for your support. If you are looking for a natural recipe to get rid of belly fat at home without a strict diet or exercise, this fat burner drink is the best fit for you. Here the first ingredient is apple. Take an apple, no need to peel off. Just cut the apple into slices. Apple is the source of antioxidants, fiber, water, and several nutrients. Apple supports to a healthy immune system, stimulates weight loss, reduces signs of aging, provides anti-cancer benefits, and also improves our brain functions. Apple helps to remove toxins from our body. The second ingredient is lemon. Here we use a full lemon. Cut the lemon into slices. Lemon is the rich source of vitamin C. Prevent bacterial infections, promote weight loss faster, slow down fat accumulation, and support oral health. Lemon also boosts our metabolism system that helps for our weight loss. The third ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is an effective spice to burn fat and promote weight loss. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, optimizes oral hygiene, sweetens up the recipe without sugar, acts as a natural preservative. Now take a saucepan and put the ingredients there. Add lemon slices, add apple slices, add 2 sticks of cinnamon, or you can use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add 1 glass water. Now boil it for 10 minutes. Boil the ingredients properly to absorb extract of all ingredients in water. Now strain the water in a glass. Now we need green tea. Pour a tea bag in this water and wait to absorb the extract. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that helps burn fat and boost metabolism. That is the key to lose weight. Mix it well. Now our fat burning recipe is ready. Drink 1 cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this recipe in a daily basis for a month. If you have any request, don't hesitate. Please share with us through your comments. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.